Keep it 100, nigga, nothing less. I got your bitch counting up the cheddar.
Hey guys, welcome back to my video. Okay, so it has been a while since I have been on my channel. It's probably been about 3 years or now. But I am back and it's a brand new year, so I will be consistent. But today's video, I am going to go over how to grow your hair in less than a year. Guys, if anybody knows me, I will show a picture of how my hair was this to now it's like literally, if you can see, like right here. So literally the only 2 items that I use, and it's like, it's not really 2 items, but it's like everything that I use for my hair is under $15 or $20 depending on where you go. So like the first thing, and I'm going to show you guys like how I put it in my hair and things like that. Right now it's not like a really good time for me to show y'all how my hair is set up, but normally how I grow my hair is just wearing a lot of protective styles and just like not really doing too much with my hair, because if you like play with your hair too much, especially if you are a 4B, it is going to get tangled and probably break off. So I typically don't like to mess with my hair that often. So these are like literally 2 things that I use. Okay, so this one is pretty much the hair fertilizer. You can get this from any beauty supply store. I got this from Amazon. Shout out to Evisha because she actually got this for me. But yeah, so this is the truth. Like, you need this in your life. This is how my hair grew crazy. And then this right here, I'm just now starting this regimen, and this is pretty much just distilled water with peppermint oil, 20 drops of peppermint oil, including eucalyptus. Sis, it's eucalyptus. Including lavender oil and tea tree oil. And you put 20 drops of peppermint oil more because peppermint oil makes your hair grow more. And you want to use it with distilled water because distilled water is very pure. And like if you use tap water or anything like that, it kind of like not shreds your hair, but it just like strips your hair. So you want to use like a pure diluted water base. I wouldn't say diluted, but just a pure water base, and distilled water is what you want to use in your hair. So this regimen is really good, especially if you're 4B and like your hair is very dry. Like literally my hair has loved this new technique that I've been using, but before I've just been using this and it has really helped me grow my hair like tremendously. So let me show you guys how I literally like do these 2 things. So first things first, what I do is, let me see. So I'm just gonna like literally spray. Using this, I'm just gonna use this and spray it on my scalp. This is what you wanna do. So you just wanna get your distilled water. You wanna shake it up so all of your oils are evenly like in the distilled water, and make sure that it's water in your oils, because you don't want your oils to be so potent to where like it affects your hair, because it can cause like leaving warts in your head. And so you never want to just blatantly put peppermint oil on your head just like this. Like you never want to do that, because even though it's going to help your hair grow, it's like very too strong for your scalp and your hair itself. So you want to always dilute your oils. Just a fun fact. So what I do is I'm gonna get this and I'm gonna spray it on my scalp. I can't see anything in the back of my head, but so guys, I was talking a little bit too much, but I'm just spraying this mixture in my scalp just to open up my pores so I can place the hair fertilizer onto my scalp. Okay, and you can get this bottle from Target. I just got it from Target and it's like I think $1. So after you spray it with this, then basically you're gonna move your hair back and just kind of massage your hair. Just massage it in. Ooh, y'all, this shit feels so good. It feels so good. you just basically are opening your scalp pores, because this is where the big boy comes in, right here. Oh, it's a little, but this is like the same thing that you can get from your local beauty supply store, but the only difference between this one, this is in a jar, but the one from the beauty supply store is more like in a tube. So I'm just gonna get a little bit like this, and I'm just gonna like play with it a little bit to where it's basically like my liking. And I literally put this much in, if you can see, and like if you guys, and I just like just put it down my whole scalp. Okay, I'm gonna try to see if I can get this in the back of my head. Just bear with me. Y'all, this is harder than what I thought it would be. Usually I have somebody help me do it, like my mom or anybody, but as of now, nobody's here. So honestly, truly, y'all, I'm just gonna just there. That's like, I don't know, too much, because you don't want to put too much to wear, especially in the back where you looking crazy, and like people's like, girl, you got this big old glob of, you know, whatever. Also, just to know, this stuff does not smell good. So this stuff does not smell good, so that's why I use this to kind of like balance the smell. But usually, like, things that always make your hair grow never smells good. Like, if you know that, just understand that, point blank period. But and what I really love about this product is that it makes your hair like just feel so good. Like, it just makes your hair feel really good. And it's like, it has peppermint oil, as I say, so like peppermint oil is just, oh, it just feels so soothing, and you could just feel it. But that's pretty much how I set it up, y'all. And so guys, this is like pretty much what I do, and I don't do it that often. I probably do it like every other day. Like, if your hair is like really this short, or like just at a length that you don't feel comfortable at, like, I would advise you to do it like once a night, or you can do it twice a day. But I normally just do it, just because of my schedule is really busy. I really feel that you can just do it for once a day or once every other day, and make sure that you're actually like just, I'm sorry y'all, this just feels so good. But just keep doing this, and that is like literally how I grow my hair. I've been getting like a lot of questions on how I grow my hair, so I decided to come back to YouTube and just to kind of give you guys a better like video of what I really do. And I obviously wrap my hair up with a silk scarf and a silk bonnet every night, and I just keep doing the same thing. And like I said, make sure you get distilled water that's like $1 at Walmart, and just get your oils. I got all of my oils from Marshall's, and it comes with like a pack, and it's like for $10. And like this right here is like, I think it was like $8 on Amazon, or you can go to the nearest beauty supply store and get it for $8 as well. I remember that this wasn't like popping, and when it wasn't popping, it was like $4. Now it went up to $8, and that's still really good. But guys, virgin hair fertilizer need to run me my check, because baby, I didn't help a lot of people grow their hair. So yeah, this is like really good. And if you guys want any more videos, if you guys want any more videos pertaining to hair growth, how to do your hair, because I am coarse kinky 4B, I will be having more videos pertaining to hair growth, how to do your hair, hairstyles, things about pharmacy, including financial literacy, education, things like that. So just comment down below, and also subscribe, and also share your girl, because I will be consistent this year, 2020. So I hope you guys enjoyed this cute little video that I made for you to grow your hair long all 2020, because baby, we're gonna step away from the braids, and we're gonna step away from weaves and wear our natural real hair, long hair. Okay, so long hair all 2020. So if you finished all the way to this video, comment below saying long hair all 2020. But bye you guys, and I hope, no, I'm not done on that, but bye.